Welcome to Overland, Subaru International. Today we're doing a fire pit cover for the fire from the wind. It's a wind protector. So basically there's going to be 4 panels of 24 inch by 24 inch. And these are aluminum plates, 1/8 inch thick. And so this is actually right now what that is, and we're gonna have some fun today right now. So I'm gonna show you right there. It's gonna be a short video, but that's gonna be it. Right, stay tuned. By the way, there's a merch store on Etsy, and also we have some ride which is coming up. I should put the video very soon. I've been very busy right now, but you know, that's what it is. So I hope you're gonna like this episode. It's gonna be a short one, a good one, and I hope you like it. So the first step is actually to what I did. I took these piano hinge, 72 inch long. I did cut it out. Okay, so these are 12 inch, and what I did is actually drill some hole over there so it fits perfectly. Oops, I forgot one. It fit perfectly with the aluminum. Now I'm going to connect this one. So this is another one I need to do, but I already did one. And this is actually a connections. I'm going to connect this one with this one. Now what am I using into this is actually these aluminum rivets, flat head, 3/16 of an inch thickness and 1/4 long. So this is actually perfect for that. And now I got 72 of them. So I got 2 boxes like that. And to be honest with you, it's a lot of work. So let's do that and work that out right now. Well, that step is done. Next. So now we done. 1, 2, 3, 4. These are rivets. These are rivets. Now, to make a beautiful M, this one is inverted. So that's the next step. Okay, let's work it out. Almost done for the first one. Last hinge. That's gonna look nice. Then after this is actually needs to be circle a bit, but that's what it is. Well,
par contre, on voit.
That's one done. Okay, one to go. Our 4 panels are done. A little bit of polish we need to do. That's another step. These are done here. Hinge down there. Hinge here. This is actually 24 times 4. That makes 8 feet long by 24. Well. It looks like it's over. It's finished. This is what the final product looks like. Final. It's a very, very big term. Typically, I'm gonna actually polish this so it becomes mirror, because there's some, well, you could see it right there. But that's for the fire pit. One of them is done. Nice, huh? Pretty nice. Yep. Alright guys, I hope you did like that small episode of another DIY for the fire pit wind cover shield, put it this way. I don't know how to call that thing so far right now, but hey, look, it's gonna be pretty nice. The size of every C is a 24 by 24, so 24 times 4 equal a full I'm gonna say it. 8 feet. Sorry. So that's what it is by 24. So that's good. I hope you did enjoy that, and be there, because eventually I'm gonna load a couple of video for the beginning of the summer. I have 4 of them to actually do, so I'm working on it. Swear to God, it should come as soon as possible. That's for one. second merch store if you want my stickers. $10 for the full colors or the vinyl cut. They're 6" by 3 and $10 Canadian. And yeah, that's the idea. If you have any questions, comment, please comment below. Share, comment, and like. Take care, guys. I hope you